A major part of my lesson is that in the beginning, the students are going to be reviewing what weathering and erosion is with one another as well as the class as a whole. And so to do this, I found this great resource called onegeology.org, in which this is a great resource to help show students definitions and give them activities and other ways to help deepening their understanding of science. And so here I've pulled up this page which goes into detail about weathering and erosion. And here we have our broad definition of weathering here. Weathering is the process where a rock is dissolved, worn away, or broken down into smaller and smaller pieces. There are mechanical, chemical, and organic weathering processes, in which this then goes into detail about like what mechanical, organic, and also how the different kinds of weathering and erosion come into effect. And so this is just simply great because I'm able to quickly review exactly what all the different kinds of weathering and erosions are and how they're going to come into play when we do our experiment later on.